You can hear that. That's what you want to hear. That's the part you want to hear. So let's give it a taste. Okay. Very good. Very, very good. So yes, this is very, very good. Hi, Vinny. Oh, hi. So good. Yes, it is. Okay, so that's what that looks like. And let's see what my poached egg is doing. What it looks like here. Okay. So they say it takes a couple minutes, and it's doing what it's doing, you know? Okay. Cool. Now I'm going to put this poached egg on the side of here.